Ohm's law is the relationship between current, I, voltage, V, and resistance, R. Ohm's law states that current is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance in a circuit. This means that when you increase voltage and keep resistance constant, current flow increases. As resistance in a circuit increases and voltage remains constant, the current flow decreases. This form of the Ohm's law equation allows you to calculate current when voltage and resistance are known. You can also rearrange the components in Ohm's law to solve for voltage, which is current multiplied by resistance, and for resistance, calculated when you divide voltage by the current flow of a circuit. A tool to assist in calculating the values associated with the Ohm's law equations is the Ohm's law circle. If you want to solve for voltage, then you multiply current and resistance. If you want to solve for resistance, then you divide voltage by the current. If you want to solve for current, then you divide voltage by the resistance. Let's look at a few circuit examples and use the various formulas to calculate the values of each of the circuit components. So, for the following circuit, if a light bulb in a lamp has a resistance of 105 ohms, and the voltage to light the lamp requires 120 volts, how much current flows through the light bulb? Using the Ohm's law circle and solving for current, you would divide the voltage by the resistance. So 120 volts divided by 105 ohms is 1.142 amps. So you have 1.142 amps of current flowing through the light bulb. Using the Ohm's law circle, if you know the values of any two variables, you can solve for the third. If you have a current of 2 amps and a light bulb with a resistance of 4.5 ohms, the voltage would be 2 times 4.5, or 9 volts. If you know the voltage in a circuit is 200 volts and the amps is 0.25, then 200 volts divided by 0.25 is 400 ohms.